Hello. I decided to change up my deck today. I was drawn to a different animal oracle deck that I own, and it's an animal oracle deck that has archangels accompanying each card. And today is Rabbit with Archangel Gabriel. How appropriate, the messenger. I asked specifically what our ever-growing collective needs to know today. And the message that has come through with this card is, wow, look at your heart and your crown energy centers. They are absolutely glowing, wide open. There is information flooding through you to help elevate humanity, to help elevate everybody, every bunny. Look how open and pure your heart is. Now, underneath in the words, it says, recognize your significance. And what I'm feeling is that you might feel that you really are just a very small, insignificant part of your life, the greater picture. But actually, your small part is very, very significant. There's a massive role that you have to play. I'm feeling there's a massive role you have to play in raising the frequency of humanity. And this is something that is around in the energy at the moment. If you've been looking at any of my other content, you will know that this energy is big at the moment. And if you saw my reading yesterday, you'll see that the energy is still kicking around here. Look at that in the background. Our favourite little magical unicorn. So even though you feel really small and insignificant, just know that you've got a massive amount of recognition, support, and magical knowing within you. Look at the colours in the background. Look at the violet and the indigo. These are crown and throat. Beg your pardon, these are crown and third eye colours. So you know you've got the wisdom. It's inside you. You just got to dig a little bit deeper into that wonderful, intricate warren of knowledge that you've got inside you. A rabbit has come through to say you are not insignificant at all. You are far from small in this cosmic plan. There we are. I hope that helps you. I hope you have a fantastic day. And don't forget, I love you.